a beautiful morning. Oh, what a beautiful day. Oh, hi there, folks. Bet you're wondering what Mark Twain is doing here. Not digging for gold, I'll tell you that. Oh, I tried it in Virginia City and in California. But digging for stories is more in my line. Say, did you hear the midnight train was robbed last night?
Morning, Mr. Twain.
Sounds like Bucky didn't get much sleep. And where were you last night, Bucky? Anywhere near the railroad?
Very funny. I just stayed up to watch the sun rising.
Watch the sun rising? Sir, do you have witnesses?
Witnesses? Hey, everyone, come on out here.
Now, why are you all yawning?
We stayed up to watch the sun rising.
Well, there goes my big news story.
When the sun in the morning peeps over the hill and kisses the roses round my windowsill, then my heart fills with gladness when I hear the trill of the birds in the treetops on Mockingbird Hill.
Tra-la-la, tweedly-dee-dee, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. Tra-la-la, tweedly-dee-dee, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome as the flowers on Mockingbird Hill. Got a three-cornered plow and an acre to till, and a mule that I bought for a $10 bill. There's a tumble-down shack and a rusty old mill, but it's my home sweet home up on Mockingbird Hill. Tra-la-la, tweedly-dee-dee, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. Tra-la-la, tweedly-dee-dee, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome as the flowers on Mockingbird Hill. Tra-la-la, tweedly-dee-dee, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. Tra-la-la, tweedly-dee-dee, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome as the flowers on Mockingbird Hill.
Mighty fine singing there, Foxy.
Oh, that's
right,
for
yeah.
sure. Bucky, I haven't heard such pretty bird songs since my last trip in the Tennessee mountains.
Gee, did you hurt yourself, Mr. Twain?
Hurt myself?
When you tripped off the mountain.
Who fell off a mountain?
Well, it seems that Mr. Twain went on a visit to Tennessee and tripped and fell off a mountain.
He did?
He did?
I did?
Boys, you're all confused. Partners, when a man stays out all night, he never can get his story straight in the morning.
Well, let's get ourselves deconfused and play some music for the folks.
How about Rocky Top, especially for Mr. T?
We do it. 1 and 2.
Wish that I was on old Rocky Top down in the Tennessee hills. Ain't no smoggy smoke on Rocky Top, ain't no telephone bills. Once I had a girl on Rocky Top, half bear, the other half cat. Wild as a mink, but sweet as sody pop, I still dream about that. Rocky Top, you'll always be home sweet home to me. Good old Rocky Top, Rocky Top, Tennessee. Rocky Top, Tennessee. I've had years of cramped up city life, trapped like a dog in a pen. All I know is it's a pity life can't be simple again. Rocky Top, you'll always be home sweet home to me. Good old Rocky Top, Rocky Top, Tennessee. Rocky Top, Tennessee. See y'all later.
After they take a rest.